Hey people, Gary here from iDigital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT, guys. So you guys, the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income every single month. It does not go down. So if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. It looks like we didn't get a sale, but I'm going to refresh the page so you guys can understand that I'm showing you real results. Alright. Alright, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal. Nothing to worry about at all. You just have to be consistent, guys. You just got to keep doing it, right? So anyway, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to get your links to the program here. We're going to wait until this loads up so I can show you guys the link that I personally use. And you can choose to use it if you want to. You can choose to use another link if you want to. It doesn't really matter. But I'm just going to show you the one I like to use. I'll highlight it real quick. As soon as this loads up, it's taking a long time though. Come on, buddy. Alright, there we go. So this is the link that I use here, guys. If you, the reason I use it because it promotes 3 products, all 80% commissions. Right, guys? So anyway, first thing you want to do if you want to get your links first is you want to go to the description and you're going to see step 1, say something like my lead, not my lead, but incomespeech.com. You're going to see something like that. And what you want to do is click on that. It's going to take you to a page look something like this. Now this page is the sales letter to the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, right? Essentially what it is a funnel builder, and it's a very good funnel builder for a very cheap price of $25. If you are a funnel, if you use funnels yourself, if you know about funnels, the most popular one is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 per month. They can get away with that because they were first, but other, prices came way down since then, and people ain't moved yet. But this is a much better deal here, $25 per month, right, guys? So anyway, it's a good product as well. This is what I'm trying to stress. All right, so you can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions on each customer, guys. $20 to $100 monthly commissions on each customer. So that's $120 every month on each customer every month, guys. That's 12,000. I don't even know. That's about 14 something every year, which is $14,000, and that's if they get these 2 products. There's also another product that's $1,000. They get that, you get $800. So it's a fantastic affiliate program, which is why I like promote it in a way possible. All right, so we're gonna go to yes I want income. We're gonna try this out, right, guys? We're gonna come in here, we're gonna put in our basic information, blah blah blah. Get down here and you buy the product, boom. All right, so one thing I want to speak on, if you use my link, you get access to HBA Premium for 14 days free test drive. All right, so what HBA Premium is essentially is teaching you how to promote on all kinds of sites and stuff and all that, like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever, right? On and on, and blogging or making articles, whatever it is. They also have an AI content creation machine that helps you create content. All right, so on different things and stuff like that, help you out. And the coolest thing about getting this 14-day free test drive, if you get a sale with this product, you will keep that money, guys. You will keep that $100. All right, so you can get that if you want to pre-order and get instant access. Boom, you're done. All right, so then you'll have to sign in, all that stuff. There's videos explaining absolutely everything you have to do. All right, so you got your links, right? All right, so now what I'm gonna show you is the absolute easiest way to promote these links. Absolute easiest way to promote these links, guys. All right, so what you want to do first, you want to go to my lead. You want to go to my second link, step 2 in my description there. It's gonna take you to you're gonna say something like my lead gen secrets. It's gonna have a link there. You click on it, takes you to this page here. What this page is basically my lead gen secrets. Basically, you get 100 leads every single day. You can email once per day. So you want to log into this account here. We're gonna go to mailing system. Now we're gonna go click on this, and we're gonna use an email that ChatGPT has helped us write. Right here, the email we're gonna use. All right, ChatGPT wrote this email, guys. So we're gonna use it for our own benefit here. Wait, hold up. I just sent the email, so we're gonna pick another one. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I just wanted to check and see when the last time I sent it. Nah, it ain't been that long, so we're gonna pick a new email. We're gonna pick this one here. I'm gonna send this email here, and this is an email I wrote myself, but it's like a reference to what I use in ChatGPT. Use one of my emails. All right, so yeah, this is my email here. All right, we're gonna hit perfect time, and it's gonna send an email around the time that people check emails. All right, guys, and we're gonna hit preview and show the email here. Now you can pause and copy the email if you want to, but the main reason we do this is because we want to make sure our link works. So just pause and copy, and you can copy that email if you want to. That's pretty cool and all that. I don't mind you copying it. It don't really matter. All right, you make money, guys. If you make money, I'm happy about that, because if you make money, that means I can make money as well. So anyway, guys, make sure to send that email and you're done. That's all it takes, right? And once you got a ton of emails in the system, all you really need to do is come here, click the email, send it. Boom, you're done. That's all you really need to do, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.